Looking for the 5 best budget monitor arms under $40. Today we're reviewing the top picks that are getting amazing reviews on Amazon. At number 1, we have the ErGear single monitor arm, fully adjustable monitor mount for 13 34-inch screens, fast install computer monitor stand with tool-free VESA mount, cable management, holds 19.8 lbs. Max VESA 100x100 mm. Priced at $43.99 with 4.5 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 2, we have the HUANUO Ultrawide monitor, arm for $13.40. Screens, single monitor mount, holds up to 26.4 lbs. Adjustable monitor stand with C-clamp and grommet base. VESA mount 75x75 mm, $100 mm. Priced at $29.99 with 4.0 stars. This product offers excellent value. At number 3, we have the HUANUO FlowLift TM single monitor mount, 13 to 32-inch monitor arm, adjustable monitor stand, VESA mount with clamp and grommet base, fits 4.4 to 19.8 lbs LCD computer monitors, priced at $69.99. With 4.6 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 4, we have the WALI single monitor mount for 13 34-inch screens, adjustable single monitors arm, regular screen, up to 32-inch, 26.4 computer monitor stand for desk, VESA 75-100 mm, GSM Piezo black. Priced at $31.39 with 4.3 stars, this product offers excellent value. At number 5, we have the ErGear single monitor arm, adjustable desk gaming monitor mount for 13 to 34s. Screens up to 19.8 lbs enhanced. Management VESA 75f75 100 gang 100 mm black. Priced at $29.99 with 4.5 stars, this product offers excellent value. That wraps up our top 5 best budget monitor arms under $40 review. Check the links in the description for the best deals.